as an eagle. I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me.
Hi guys, I just received my first Shein order. And if you're new here and you're wondering who is this girl that is screaming in our face, hi, my name is Audrey and I make content about all things wellness. And if that's your kind of thing, please consider staying by subscribing. It's nice here. It is a vibe. So let me show you what I got. I only got 2 items and they're very small items. And when I say small, I mean small, but they're going to do the things that need to be done. So firstly, I have these lashes that Alice plugged me, and I am going to do these tomorrow morning. Yeah, sometime tomorrow morning. So I will show you results of that tomorrow. But today we are going to be playing around with one of these because, as you can see, I haven't done my nails. I was waiting for this for like a week or 2. So now that I have it, let's go and do my nails. Okay guys, so these are the colors that we are working with. I got a pink, like a pastel pink, a teal. No, this is a blue, like a pastel blue. Yeah, this is the lilac, a green, a pastel green, and a yellow. But these are so tiny, guys. You might not see it. Let me give you something to compare it to. So this is a normal size bottle of my white color, and this is the other colors. So I don't know if they're gonna be enough for my hands and toes, but let's see. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Faded paint on your Impala. Red is never gonna look the same. Even when the sky end of days lighting up your face like portraits hang in your apartment. Never have they looked at me that way. I can't help but wonder what they say as they catch the daylight.
Guys, I don't know if you see this. I'm sure you see this, but what is this, please? This polish better not be playing with me. I'm gonna try and do it on this nail, and if it does this again, I'm just gonna cry. No tears yet, hey. It was my mistake. I don't know how. I guess I had air pockets or something. So let's try and fix it on all the other nails. I'm gonna do these ones as Frenchies, and then I'm just gonna do plain color. So I don't want to bore you with all of that. I'll probably see you when I'm finishing everything up.
But when you look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it kills me every time. Driving around the city with my eyes closed, no phone in the afterglow. It was you, babe. But when you look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it fills me with desire.
Guys, I am on Precious's live. And I want to try and do my lashes. I don't know if I'm gonna I don't know if I'm gonna finish before my live, but let's see. So here are the lashes, guys. Now I can show you so cutely with my nails, but here are the lashes. So I'm gonna try and do 5 across. I'm gonna do 16, 14. Yeah, I'll do 16, 14, 14, 12, 12 maybe. They're gonna be dramatic. So we have exactly 30 minutes to do this. I hope we can do this in 30 minutes. I hope you can see me.
It's just made on one of my videos. I will subscribe.
So it's like a mascara.
You need to get in shape.
I don't know why this
Good, and you need to feel good.
glue for me is feeling dry. They're so wispy. Okay, let's try.
is falling. You are all I want, I can't do anything. Talk your shit, you got your battles with enemies who live inside your head. Hands are tied and eyes are burning red. Nothing left unsaid, no. But when you
I used 16, 14, 12, and 10. So I only used 4. Wow, the difference is night and day. I'm gonna be talking like this today. All right, I will try. I think I'll leave that to dry and then I'll do this side, then I'll do the seal. But can you see that? Hey loves, so it is maybe 3 or 4 days later from when I did my eyelashes, and those ones fell off. So first of all, I just wanted to show you what they look like now.
look in my eyes, the way you look in my eyes, it kills me every time. Driving around the city with my eyes closed.
And secondly, I wanted to say that for a person like me who was used to individual lashes and having them last for like 4 to 6 weeks, this, maybe because of the glue that I have, is not manageable, because I think the glue will last you a maximum of 2 days, like 48 hours. So maybe I'm gonna talk to my lash lady, find out if she can sell the glue that she uses, and then I'll try and use the same technique with that glue and see how long they last. But other than that, they look amazing. They take me less than 30 minutes to put on and they do the job. Good morning, guys. So it is a Sunday morning. It is 8 minutes to 6 and we are heading out for a beach walk. So yeah, I'm hoping to catch the sunrise. The sunrise is at like 6:09. Yeah, let's go for a beach walk. I'm so excited. I love these kind of walks. Look at that sunrise. We made it. How gorgeous is that?
Stars above with their soft glow, lighting up the night.
the best bit, which was the red sun.
Oh yeah, I did. I actually didn't, but I was just being kind because everyone here is so friendly. Like, it's first thing in the morning, people choose to come and, you know, take a walk with the fresh air, with the morning sun. Everyone is just friendly. I just love the community here. Everyone is greeting me. I don't know how many good mornings I got today, but they put a smile on my face. Good morning.
I heard your voice crack over the phone. That's not the way it's supposed to be. You asked to hear my point of view. I'll never think the way you do. What am I supposed to even say?
Guys, so I've been craving hot dogs for the longest time, but I never buy the ones here because they're not really good. So I am gonna make some now, but I'm gonna do like a young little healthy version of it. Let's make some hot dogs.
I don't think it matters anyway. What do you want me to say? I'll say it to you. If you want me to, what do you want me to do? Just say the word. What other songs will you find? I indulge you, nearly spoil you each time. They're rolling off my tongue, these lies.
Okay guys, so I am well fed and ready to knock out. So I am going to end the vlog here. If you've gotten to this part of the video, please don't forget to comment, like, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to the channel, because all we do is spread happiness over here. And I'll see you next Sunday.